and today I'm going to be reviewing a human hair unit. This is my very first human hair that I have on this channel, and I'm very excited to show you guys this unit right here. I was reached out by Daenerys Hair Company to review this 8-inch water wave unit that I have on right now. This is what the box looks like. This is what it came in, and it says Daenerys, and then it explains what it is up here. It's a 13x6 lace wig water 8-inch new. So that's what they said right here at the top right here, and it has this barcode and everything else, and it came with a little rat tail comb. That's all it came with in this unit right here. I know it looks a little long, probably because I'm short. I'm 5'4", so it looks a little longer on me, but this is 8 inches of hair. It's more like a 1B and number 2 mixed together. It looks more like a natural hair color. I love the curls in this. It's so soft. It's very soft and it's very manageable as well. I did get a little bit of shedding while I cut the lace. So the lace was all from ear to ear, and it had a little piece of lace in the back. Let me show you guys what it looks like in the back. So it looks much fuller in my opinion in the back than in the front. The back is much more full. It is a 150 density as well, so that's the density of the hair. It looks pretty full, but just more to the back though. So this is what the front of the hair looks like. I didn't stick it down or anything like that, but this is what it looks like here. I didn't put any bleach in the knots or anything like that. So this is somewhat what the middle looks like. It goes pretty far back as well. So this is what it would look like in the middle. It looks really natural, like it's your hair, so it looks super natural. It looks really cute, and it's perfect, you know, it's a perfect fall bob, as you can see here. It's really pretty. I like it, but I prefer it on the side like how I had it. But this is how far it parts back though. It's pretty far back where I had it. I like this style better, just giving me that vibe, you know, that cute vibe. So this unit comes in 3 different lengths: the 8-inch, which I have here, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch. This is through Amazon, so if you have Prime, it's gonna come, say like you order it today, it will come tomorrow. That's how quick it is. If you don't have Prime, I believe some people got it 2 to 3 days. So yeah, if you have Prime, it would be excellent for you because it will come the very next day. That's how it came for me. So yeah, so that was pretty good. The shipping is quite fast, and the hair isn't bad either. In terms of, like, I know some people when they order human hairs, if it has any type of smell or anything, I didn't get anything like that. It didn't have any weird smells or anything, but it's a very nice unit. As far as the comb goes, it has 3 combs in the front, 2 at the sides, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the back with adjustable straps, so you won't have to worry about it if you have a smaller size head. You could also add in, like, sew in the little expandable thing, so you could have it even more secure on your head, or just glue it down with your got-to-be glued, or whichever method you use. This is my first human hair, so I am going to be, you know, trying this out and see how it works out. It is my first time with these units, so I will definitely experiment. But for now, I'm just want to show you guys what it looks like here. First impressions, I will give this a 5 out of 5, to be honest. It looks really natural, and it's the curls again. I just love how the curls fall. It's just really pretty. It's nice. I like it. You know, I'm giving you guys that fall vibe, so you know. So if you want any more information about it, I would leave all the links down below, as well as some details on this unit as well, so you guys could go check it out. And it's on Amazon. They also have a body wave as well, but that's a much longer one. But I opted out to review this one. I wanted something to do different, you know, not too long, not my typical orange and green and blue and all these other colors, something a little bit more natural looking, and I really like how this turned out. A little water and some mousse and you're ready to go. But yeah, you could definitely bleach it, dye it, all of that good stuff. I will leave all of those information down in the description box, so please go check that out. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, as well as follow me on Instagram. I'm there, heavily on there, so you guys can definitely check me out over there. And I will see you guys in another video. Take care. Bye.